Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can blur out just the background of your videos on CapCut PC. So you are just going to copy and paste your videos, and on the second video go to cutout and select auto cutout. Wait for it to process, and on the background you're going to just go to effects. Then you're going to select this blur and just simply add it to your background. It's going to affect the objects here as well because it's not the object, but that's fine. You can also adjust like the blur of it as well here if you want it like super blurry. It looks unnatural though, so don't do that. So just blur it a little bit. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!